In this part of the video, we'll go through the steps to create your first events in Spiny Events. Simply visit the website spinyevents.com, then click Sign In. Once you click on Sign In, you will be redirected to this login page. Here you will need to enter the email address and password you use when creating your account. Click Continue to log in. Once signed in, you'll be taken to this form where you will be creating your first event. Fill out the event name, event description. Select your time zone where the event is happening. Then choose the start date, end date, start time from the drop-down, and end time. You can also type the time. Once done, click Next. Now let's add some more details. If it's in-person event, you need to add the venue name, the full address of the venue, and Google Map. If it's virtual events, you can add a meeting link like Zoom. If it's a hybrid event, you can add the venue, the full address, Google Map, and then the link to the meeting. For this demo, we'll be using in-person by adding the venue name and the full address, and then we'll add a Google Map link. Once done, click Next. Now we'll add the website details. We're going to add the logo of our event. Click Add File. Now the logo is uploaded. Here you'll also see something called Event URL. So by default, you will get the event URL by the title of your event, .spinyevents.com, which we can change as well. And if you want to use the custom URL, or let's say your own domain, you can do it later from the settings. All right, now click Create Event. There you go. In just a few steps, we've created our first event. After that, you'll be taken to the Backstage, your event dashboard. Think of it as a CMS where you can update event details, add speakers, tracks, schedules, sponsors, and organizers, as well as create standard posts and pages. Lastly, you can configure your custom domain in the domain settings. You can also check how your website looks by clicking Visit Website. Here's your website for now. You can definitely customize to your colors and fonts to match your brand, and also change lots of design without writing single line of code. As of now, you can see that there's nothing in the schedule or speakers because we have not added anything yet. And if you want to customize or update any information, you can do it in the Backstage, which I'll cover in the next part of this tutorial.